The Benchmade 940-1 model. Extremely sharp model. I like how it's got the tip that's edged off like that. And really strong hard metal that's used in the construction of this. I've been using this for the last week or so, all in the store, and it just cuts through everything like butter. Extremely sharp, so any kind of boxes, any kind of plastic liners like this, it just will cut through it real easily, and it feels good. The design of it feels very good in the hand. There's an access lock on the top here, so you just pull and it'll fold back through. The clip down here, it'll go into the pocket real deep. See how it's just nice and flush. The weight of it is really impressive too. It's not very heavy at all, so I like just carrying it with me all day, and a lot of times I don't even notice that it's in my pocket because it's so light. The carbon fiber material in this knife makes for a very lightweight setup. I like playing with this knife too. It's just got a lot of play that you can do with it. You can flick it open like this, pull it down like that. You can hold it from the blade and open it up like this. Very fun knife to play with, and I'm glad I picked it up. I've never had a good quality knife like this before, so it's one of the few things that I treated myself with recently. The Osborne Benchmade 940-1.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.